Okay, welcome to another AMI day. We're going to do our 4.1 notes. So again, I know you don't have these in front of you. Just follow along with the video as best you can, and when we get back to school, you'll get a paper copy. Okay, so let's talk about an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence or pattern in which the difference between any two consecutive, that means next to each other, terms is constant. So it's the same. So if you have a list of numbers, the difference between any two numbers is always going to be the same. The common difference, which is abbreviated lowercase d, is the numerical difference between any two numbers, between any two consecutive numbers. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is figure out what the common difference is. So if you look at this example number 1, what are you doing to a 1 to get a 5? Well, you're adding 4. What are you doing to 5 to get 9? You're adding 4. What are you doing to 9 to get 13? You're adding 4. So do you see how that's a constant difference? Every term, 4 is being added. So that is, yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. And my common difference, which is lowercase d, is 4. So on number 2, what would you do to 1 to get a 3? Well, let's add 2. 3 to 5 is add 2. 5 to 8 is add 3. Well, since that's not constant, because one of them is adding 3, the other two are adding 2, this is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so in number 3, to go from an 8 to a 6 is subtract 2, because it's going down, it's getting smaller. 6 to 4 is subtract 2. 4 to 2 is subtract 2. So because that's a constant or common difference, yes, this is arithmetic. And my common difference, my lowercase d, is negative 2. Okay, number 4, hit pause. Take a look at that one and determine what the common difference is, if there is one, and then if it's an arithmetic sequence or not. Okay, so for number 4, you should have noticed you're subtracting 3 every time. So yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. My common difference is negative 3. Okay, hit pause and do number 5. Okay, so this is add 5, add 10, add 20. So because that's not a common or constant difference, this is no. And then number 6, hit pause and do that one. Okay, you should have noticed that this is subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. So yes, it's arithmetic. The common difference is negative 1. Not 1, but negative 1. Okay, and then finally, you're given arithmetic sequences. So you know there's a common difference. So now you want to find the next 3 terms. So for number 7, to go from a 9 to a 13 is plus 4. 13 to 17 is plus 4. 17 to 21 is plus 4. So you know you're adding 4 every time. So 21 plus 4 would be 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. And 29 plus 4 is 33. Okay, for number 8, find the common difference and then find the next 3 terms. So we're going to subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3. Negative 4 minus 3, we're going down that number line, so that's negative 7. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10, and negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13. Okay, now try number 9. So to go from a negative 8 to a negative 2, you're adding 6. To go from a negative 2 to a 4 is adding 6. And to go from 4 to 10 is adding 6. So my next term, 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And 22 plus 6 is 28. Okay, have a great rest of your day.